to try. Mix the shrimp.
I gotta save it.
Okay, look at that. Let me grab this one. You guys, what do you think?
We're ready to
So, thanks for watching this. Hang on, let me get a better angle. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys like this video, you probably know what I'm gonna say, so I won't say it.
go click right here if you want to watch more food channels. Only one channel, the tofu recipe.
We have a thanks for watching. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Hang on, let me think. Well, the card's gonna run out of space. But hopefully you'll like this recipe. And oh, I didn't finish the dessert. Well, you guys already saw how the dessert will look, but I'm gonna show you a photo right now. This is how it looks. Pretty cool. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video. Bye. Oh, we'll show them how when you guys try it. So, yeah.
See you back in a couple hours.
Toodles. Maneuvers. Come on. So, yeah. Joseph, thank you, Joseph. He set up the table. He wrapped it. And here's the finishing pasta. And here is the dessert. So there's Oreos inside, a ball of Oreos with cream cheese, and then this is what do you call it? White chocolate with normal chocolate drizzled on top, and I guess that's a chunk of an Oreo. Yeah, I would do this, but at the same time I wouldn't because it takes a while, and it said it's easy and fast, but
Can you get those cups?
oh, hang on.
Oh wow, I didn't know we had both in here. Thank you.
Wow, okay, so what do you think?
Oh, I think the food is delicious. It's really, you did a great job, Lizzie. Very proud of you. You should be proud of yourself. I like.
Oh, that's good. What do you think, Papa?
It's delicious. Very good. I think we're gonna have to start a restaurant soon.
No! No! No!
Goodness. What do you think, Jacob?
Very good.
Thank you. Sandy, what do you think?
Good
job.
Thumbs up.
I gotta plug this. We're gonna start an Italian restaurant in Texas.
Well, oh, Joseph, what do you think?
Italian Chinese restaurant.
Italian.
Italiano.
Oh, wait, no, I think that's